If you have an attentional issue, you can focus quite well, but here's where you fall short. You fall short when it comes to being able to weed out distractions. That's where you fall short, right? I use scripting for that as well. I'll use a couple words. One of my favorite words is right now. And I tell all the kids, as soon as you hear the words right now come out of my mouth, it means that immediately following those two words, it's something you must listen to, something you must hear, it's something you must follow. And the rest of the time, of course, they don't listen, but as soon as they hear right now, like, all of a sudden they perk up. Because what I want is to use techniques like that so that when they get older, they can take those techniques into their adulthood. The thing to remember about things like attentional issues or challenges like ADHD is that they don't go away. They stay with us forever. Cognitive communication is the way our brains are wired. So what we have to do is take those strengths and weaknesses and make them work for us. So if you're driving down 495 and you find yourself drifting into your thoughts, I want you to be able to say, right now, I should be paying attention to the road. And bring yourself back. Any skill that we try to use as a redirection for behavior should be something that we want those kids to take with them when they leave and use on themselves. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.